So today I just feel really weird or off. Have y'all had one of those days where you feel off and it's just weird? I don't know. But it's not sick or anything. It's just like, I don't know, some equilibrium or some intuitive feeling. I always get those gut feelings that something's just off or something's just not quite right. So, I'm at a park right now, especially a nature park, and so the reason why I'm at the nature park is because I feel like maybe this will help me, especially like, I don't know, like talk to God and nature type thing. So anyways, that's what I'm gonna do this morning. It's just, go on a nature walk and have talk with God and you know, maybe just feel better, I guess. Anyways, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Just sitting here at peace. So I just got done with an hour and a half of nature walking and reconciliation with God. You know, being at peace with myself and God, and try my best with everyone else, especially with today's world, what's going on. And so I say, peace be with you and everyone else. God bless.